Hi everybody, I'm Naya, and welcome back to Sweet Rice Cafe.
Hello everybody. Today we're going to show you how to make crunchy shrimp, as my 7-year-old daughter would call it. She's working the camera right now. So we're going to do this. What we're going to do is add some seasoning, whatever you like. In this case, I'm just throwing in some Kurtz table spice, and then the minced onion. Season it in here. Garlic salt. We love garlic salt. What I'm going to do is I'm going to mix it. Get all that spice in there. Oh, we can put some fried garlic in here too. Forgot about that. We seem to put fried garlic on everything. So I'm going to put some in the shrimp here. Like that. Okay, so I'm sprinkling it on. And I'm just mixing it up. Make sure they go in the shrimp. And the shrimp is a large size shrimp. My daughter calls it crunchy shrimp with the shell on. I'm going to add some more of Kurtz, some more of the minced onion, some more of the garlic salt. Okay. I'm just going to mix it up. Okay. So when it's mixed up, it should look something like that. Again, you can add whatever you want prior to cooking the shrimp. Okay, once it's mixed, just gonna lay the shrimp out like that. Like so. I'm gonna fit as much as I can in his little cooking tray here. Like that. And that. Oh, that's a nice big one, huh? Look at that. Let me put a couple more in here. There you go. Oh, one more. Okay, so I'll put one more right here. Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna go turn on my little oven here. So I set this little conventional oven to 400 at 30 minutes. Okay, while the oven is heating up, I'm gonna put it right in the little oven here. Careful, this is hot. Put them in. Let it sit in there while it's warming up. Push that in. Then we wait. Usually 15 minutes into it, I would pull out the shrimp and I would flip it, let it sit in there for another 15 minutes, with a total of 30 minutes. Alright you guys, it has been about 10 minutes. I'm going to have a look at this crunchy shrimp. Like I said, be careful. I'm using wooden tongs. I'm just going to flip the shrimp one by one here so I get that crunchy shrimp that my little 7-year-old likes to eat. Okay, so we're flipping it right now. Like so. Okay. Be careful the one that's inside. This thing gets really hot. You know, you don't want to burn your hand in the process. Okay, you want to let it sit in here for another 10-15 minutes. You can leave it in there longer if you want it crunchier. Leave it like that, so make sure push it in, close it up. We'll check back. Okay, we're back. The alarm just went off. The shrimp is cooked. We're going to take several pieces off of here, put it in this little serving plate, and you can eat with that sweet rice we showed you how to cook in our last video. Crunchy shrimp, ready to serve. Thank you for watching.